Double letter consonant sounds. Sn, 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 snake, sn, snake. Lesson 1, 8 words. Snake, 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 snow, 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 sneeze, 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 snail, 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 snack, 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 snore, 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 snake, snow, sneeze, snail, snack, snore, snake, snow, sneeze, snail, snack, snore, snake, snow, sneeze, snail, snack, snore. Review. What color is the snake? The snake is green. Where is the snake? It's in the grass. What are they doing? They are making a snowman. Is the snow cold or hot? It's cold. What is this? It's a snail. Where is the snail? It's on a leaf. What's wrong with him? He's sneezing. Why do people sneeze? Because of dust or a cold? Lesson 2, story time. The sneaky snail. On a snowy morning, Lily found a snail in her garden. "Hello, little snail. Aren't you cold?" she asked. The snail didn't answer, but it moved slowly. Lily picked it up and put it in a box with leaves. Later, she had a snack and read a book. Suddenly, she heard someone sneeze. "Achoo!" came from the box. Lily was surprised. Snails don't sneeze. She opened the box and saw nothing. The snail was gone. The snail was gone. She looked around and found a trail. The snail was sneaking away with her cookie. "Hey, that's my snack!" Lily laughed. The snail moved even faster. "You're a snaky little snail," she said. She let it keep the cookie. That night, she dreamed of snails that could snore. Lesson 3, review story. What did Lily find in the garden? She found a snail. What kind of weather was it? It was snowy. What did Lily put in the box? A snail and some leaves. What sound did Lily hear? She heard a sneeze. What happened to the cookie? The snail took it. Why did Lily call the snail sneaky? Because it was taking her snack secretly. What did Lily dream about that night? She dreamed of snails that could snore.